Hi, I'm Simon from the Red Ferret, and before we start this video I want to ask you to subscribe and hit that bell button down below to stay updated on our amazing content. Let's get cracking with this video. So as you can see in front of me I have some pretty big boxes. This is the complete Foldio 360 or Foldio Foldable Studio set with the Foldio 360 turntable, with the Foldio Halo bar and the complete studio. It's simple but useful. This is made by Orange Monkey, and this is actually a photo studio to take pictures, so a white background photo studio which has good lighting to take your pictures the best way possible and on full quality. Let's get the box open. Oh, pretty big package. This is the Foldable Studio, so you can put products in here. Bigger but more compact, easy setup using magnets. Flat lay photography from the top, so you can take pictures from the top. Triple LED lighting. Pretty cool. Pretty well thought out system, I think. So I'm pretty excited to check this out. So as you can see, we get different colors. We get the white and the background, as you can see. It's actually very good material. It's that kind of soft silky finish, and then we also have the white over here as well. I'm just going to put this back in and install the rest. These are the LED lights. This is the Halo bar set. Again, pretty nice packaging, and this is also a power cable. These look pretty well built, as you can see. Pretty sturdy as well, so that's good. This is the power brick, and you can change the brightness of the lights. And then we also have the Foldio 360, which is a turntable that also can be used via Bluetooth as well. So you can see if you're connected, you can set your own schedules and your own speed and all that stuff. So that's pretty cool. So it's a completely white turntable. So as you can see, a lot of things in the box. It's really the complete setup in order to get you going for your product shoots. I'm going to install this and show you what it looks like and how it works. Alright, so as you can see, it's installed. It took me about a small 10 minutes and it was way easier than I was expecting. So everything clicks via the magnet, so it's very easy to install in my opinion. These Halo bars over here are also attached via magnets, as you can see. So you just click them on and they are put in place. Then this is everything that controls the lights. So you have the regular connection over here, which are the lights that are on the top. So if I turn this, you'll see that these turn on, as you can see. And then this one is plugged in via the Orange Monkey LED lights, the extra Halo bar lights in that case. And you can also turn these on as well, as you can see. Alright, so very easy to install. This has the white backdrop, which is connected via the Velcro on the top and the Velcro on the bottom. And then we have the 360 plate or base, which uses an app and Bluetooth to take 360 pictures. As you can see, I'm in the 360 app, and I can now change the halo, as you can see on the bottom. I can change everything in the app on my phone. I can change the color temperature of my pictures. And you're probably wondering, what is this used for? Well, this is used to take 360 pictures of a product, for example. So I can also turn this left or right, as you can see. So I'm turning it right, and now turn it left as well. And if I want to take a 360 shoot, for example, I use these beautiful headphones, these Apple earbuds. I turn on all the lights. So imagine you have a store, for example, which sells these earbuds, not AirPods. Then you just click this, and you want to have a 360 image, of course. So you just keep your phone in place. This probably needs to be done with a tripod. I'm doing it by hand right now just for the video. This is maybe a bit too bright as well, so you can adjust the brightness of the Foldio if you want to. And it's telling me it's processing, so it's right now on picture 23 of 24. The cool thing is, I now have a complete 360 of this product. How awesome is that? I didn't even have to do anything. Just to hold my phone. Whee! And I have a complete 360. And now I can just export it as data export to Instagram, to Twitter, or to Facebook. So it makes a 3-second video from this product. So that's actually pretty nice. So as you can see, it's now saved to my videos on my phone. And you can put this in a loop and yeah, take product pictures. You can also take pictures from the top. As I already said, you just put this on the back. You can just pull this over, put this on the back and put this over there, and that will work as well. But I have to say, pretty impressive, this product. You need to find the best lighting for the thing you want. So if you're taking pictures with your camera, maybe it will be a bit better with not taking them with your phone probably. Of course, you don't even need the Foldio. If you just put the Foldio to the side, you can just do this as well and use this as a product shoot. But for 360 pictures, so for turnaround pictures, this is very easy to use. And I also think that this can be very nice if you want to do reviews, for example, on YouTube, and I'm going to try this in the future. And you want clean images, for example, or clean videos with a clean background, this can work. Of course, over here and over there, you have the holes, as you can see. So that can be a bit annoying over there, but yeah, this complete side is completely white, so that's good. Alright, so I've taken some pictures and they look pretty good. It's an easy process to make beautiful professional pictures for your webshop, for example. If, and only if, you sell small things, because this is the Blue Snowball. It's not the biggest microphone, but as you can see, it's already taking a lot of place, because if you put a picture like this, you'll see the holes on the side, and that can be an issue. Then you have to try Photoshop and all that stuff. But if you zoom in, it works. That's not the biggest deal. You have a lot of versatility with these lights. You can put them over here, anywhere you want. You can just mount them on this or mount them like this. So that's not the issue. There's really no big issue on this device. It works very well. It's very well built as well. It's a good system. They thought this out with the magnets, and the magnets, I was a bit hesitant. I thought the magnets would not be that strong to hold everything in place, but it's really very well made. So very good job, Orange Monkey. You did a pretty good job with this. You also get the black background in the box, which is very nice if you want to take other pictures, for example, of white products, I don't know. Then that's also pretty cool. But I only use the white one because I really love the white background on this shoot. You will, however, need to know a little bit about the camera settings, because of course, if you take them on automatic, it's really not useful if you have all these lights. If you just put your camera on automatic, then it will just change everything. You need to put it on manual, your camera, and change the shutter speeds, the ISO, all that stuff. If you were a bit into photography, you probably know that. If you take it with your phone, then yeah, you can't really change that, but you'll still have a pretty good result after you take all the pictures. So yeah, I would say overall this is a very good setup. It does the job, it does it very well, and the extra accessories like the 360 thing is not something you really need. But it's a very good extra if you take 360 pictures, because I know a lot of websites like, for example, Zalando, if you know that, that's a Belgian website or a Dutch website, I don't know, which takes pictures of shoes, for example. If you put a shoe on here, it will turn and it will be very easy to take pictures of that shoe. So that's very nice. Just to show you, I'm going to take a 360 picture again of my Adidas. Oh, what these are called? I have no idea. These yeah, I don't know what it's called. But of my Adidas pictures, of my Adidas slippers. Damn it! It would be better, of course, if you put the cables below the white background, but I didn't do that just for the sake of the video. Let's see if I have a camera mount. Oh no! So as you can see, I'm taking the 360 pictures of my Adidas slipper. and it's very easy to use. I've just put my phone on some kind of tripod tentacle, as I already said. I just started the app and now it's doing everything automatically, so I can go for a coffee or for the water, and in the meantime he's taking my pictures of the product I want to take pictures from. So that's actually pretty cool if you have a web shop, or if you want to take pictures, product pictures, if you want to take other pictures, or maybe if you want to do videos, a cool black background or a cool white background with good lighting, because all the lights are very good. As you can see, there are LED lights over here, LED lights over there, which has to be bought separately, and a 360 thing, tableau, and it's done. So I can now view the 360 shot I did. Just look at this. Don't say that isn't cool. I'm just going to put this on the gram. Yeah, you can just use this in order to sell your goods, and it is actually very good quality. It's pretty epic to see that I just created this in like what, 30 seconds or something. Pretty nice. I have to say, this is the best. I didn't test a lot of 360 or product shoot things in the past before, but I have to say this is one of the best, or the best out there right now. I'm pretty sure about that. For that price, they use the best material possible to keep the price low, because this is not, I'm going to be honest, this is not the most expensive material. This is some kind of cardboard thing, which also makes it very lightweight and very easy to clip on via the magnets. So that's very well thought out as well from Orange Monkey. Some negative things, well, negative, it's pretty big. As you can see, it's a pretty big package, which also makes sure that you can put bigger things in here, but you can't put a lot of very big things in there. If you would like to put a bag in there or something, that would be a bit more difficult, or 2 pairs of shoes, that would be also a bit difficult. But if you know a bit of Photoshop, then you can probably Photoshop out the corners that you see. It's the best transportable studio, because otherwise you need to build a complete studio in your house or in your room, and that will be way more difficult than this. And it's not that expensive as well. So yeah, pretty nice. Would definitely recommend this if you have a web shop and you want to take your pictures to the next level. Alright, if you have any questions regarding the Foldio Studio, the Foldio 360, the Foldio Halo lights and everything you saw in this video, let them know in the comment section down below, and I'll be very, very glad to answer them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. If you didn't, leave a dislike and tell us why, so we can improve our videos. And I hope I'll see you, yes, you who's watching this behind your phone or behind your computer screen, I don't know, in the next video. Bye bye.